In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract contour lines from Google Earth to AutoCAD. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, a quick overview of what this workflow accomplishes and why it's useful. Extracting contours from Google Earth gives you a fast way to get terrain information into AutoCAD for site planning, preliminary design, or visualization. The primary tool I'll describe is the CAD Earth plugin, which is specifically designed to bridge Google Earth and AutoCAD by importing imagery, terrain data, and creating meshes and contour lines directly inside your drawing. I'll also point out other plugin options to consider if CAD Earth doesn't fit your setup. Begin by installing CAD Earth from the developer's site or an authorized marketplace. Once installed and loaded inside AutoCAD, CAD Earth provides commands to define a geographic area in Google Earth. Import the terrain elevation data and build a 3D mesh. When you import terrain, pay attention to the coordinate system and units so your contours align correctly with your CAD drawing. It's often best to work in the same projection or to transform the data during import if needed. After importing the terrain, use the plugin's mesh generation tools to create a continuous surface. The mesh quality directly affects contour smoothness, so choose a resolution appropriate for your project. Finer resolution for detailed sites, coarser for conceptual studies. Once the mesh is created, CAD Earth can generate contour lines at the interval you specify. Select a contour interval that matches your design needs, for example 1 meter or 5 feet. And let the tool produce polylines with elevation attributes that are ready to edit in AutoCAD. When contours are created, review them for artifacts or noise. You can clean polylines, merge overlapping segments, and assign layers to organize different contour intervals. If you need coordinate accuracy, verify control points or tie the imported terrain to known survey markers. Export options in CAD Earth allow you to save the mesh or contours as DWG, DXF, or other commonly used formats. If CAD Earth is not an option, check the Autodesk App Store for alternative plugins. One example to look for is Import GMPits, which focuses on importing contours from Google Maps. Different tools have different workflows and accuracy levels, so review documentation and testing data before committing to one for critical projects. Finally, remember to respect data licensing and usage terms when pulling imagery or elevation data from online services. With the right plugin and settings, you can efficiently turn Google Earth terrain into usable AutoCAD contours and speed up your design workflow.